time, feel the pain, live the grind. I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat. Put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I seen what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to live, I took the red pill. I know life's short, so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said.
Alright, welcome back to Absurd Automotive. Today we're going to be taking Eva around this little side-by-side park that I got here in Alaska. I don't know how well this thing is going to perform. I have not really taken this car off-road in a long time. I've drifted around some grass and stuff, but this is like a full-blown side-by-side park, and it's not super crazy, but it's enough where I can drive the car kind of hard and kind of the way I want to. So we're gonna go joke around for a bit with the car and kind of have some fun with it, because I was trying to sell it and try and move on to something different, but nobody wants the car. I wasn't able to sell it for the price I was looking for. So we're going to modify the car to be more of an off-road fun vehicle, because it's super small. I mean, it's literally a Beetle chassis. It's super small, it's light, and I can modify the Beetle chassis to do a lot of different things. And I was kind of thinking, if you guys have ever seen those Safari Porsches, I was kind of thinking this thing would look so cool with some headlights and some other stuff, and like just kind of like rally it out a little bit and go have fun with it. I miss making awesome content where I'm drifting around and having fun with stuff. I really do miss it. So we're gonna drift around here in this little side-by-side park, get some really cool shots of the car drifting and hopefully jumping. I think there's a jump over there. I'm not really sure. We're gonna try. So what'd you guys think? I mean, Eva did really well just in this little off-roading park. I have no idea how well she's gonna do going through, you know, all the mud and everything like that. But if we jack it up, we put a little bit bigger tires on it, give it a little bit of a lift, you know, go through and do the off-roading style build with this thing, I feel like it'd be a really cool off-roading little go-kart. I mean, it looks really unique. It'd be kind of something you wouldn't really see, and like I said, it kind of would look like a safari Porsche. And I mean, most of those Porsches are two-wheel drive, so why can't we build something like this into this? I mean, it seems like a really good idea. Eva did do really well already, kind of off-roading and jumping around in this little tiny off-roading park here. But Alaska is huge, and I mean, we got so many places we can go with an off-roading vehicle. So I'm debating on doing the safari style Porsche with this thing and making it like this really cool off-roading car. But, you know, I don't know if it's going to be exactly what I need, right? I mean, it's all fiberglass, so it's going to be kind of hard to modify like the lights and all the other cool stuff I got to do to it. But I feel like with a little bit of modification, like a lift, some bigger tires, or at least knobby. I mean, it don't have to be too much bigger than what I got on it. It just has to get a little bit of a lift so it's got a little more ground clearance. Put some cool lights on there and a little like luggage thing on the back. I mean, this thing would look super cool. All right, so what do you guys think? Do you think Eva is going to be capable of being a safari Porsche style car? I mean, obviously there's a lot I'm going to have to do to the car to get it much better for all this off-roading stuff I'm planning on doing with it. I kind of feel bad that I'm about to destroy this car because there's only 500 of these in the world, but it's not a very sought after car, so nobody wants the thing. But we are going to turn this into something that is going to be more Alaskan friendly. Like, we're gonna build a, maybe not a dune buggy, because that's not really what I'm looking for out of it. I'm gonna build more of a safari style car that I can drive around the road still. It's still road legal and everything, and I can have fun just messing around off-road with it and not have to worry about it as much, you know. The reason I worried so much about it was because I was trying to keep the fiberglass nice. I was trying to keep the car nice because I thought I was going to sell it and move to a different project. But it looks like Eva is going to be sticking with us because, again, nobody wants the car. So we're going to be we're going to use the car like this a little more before winter hits. But when winter hits, I'm going to probably strip it down. I'm going to put a lift on it a little bit, or at least raise it up just a bit. Put some all-terrain tires on it, you know, put the lights on there, put a roof rack maybe. Just do a bunch of stuff that's going to get the car more Alaskan friendly, that I can take out and do stuff. Because this thing is cheaper than any side-by-side here in Alaska. It's not as reliable and not as fast, but it can go just about anywhere I want it to go. But yeah, we're going to go through and we're going to modify the car out to do more Alaskan style content and more Alaskan style things, because I'm still here for a long time and there is so much cool content I can do with Eva here, and I just haven't been doing it because I've been kind of scared to wreck the car. I talked about this in another video of mine. Nobody cares about like the sentimental value like I do. Like no one cares. And when someone buys this car, it's either going to get ruined because they don't know what it is and they don't care, or it's going to get sat in a garage and never driven. Like, so I'm going to drive it. I'm going to use it. I'm going to have some fun with it for the next few years while I'm here. Thank you guys for watching. I always appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time.